Hey AppSec engineers, we'll be talking today on the challenges that CISOs and CTOs in the manufacturing industry face when it comes to information security training. Let's dive right in. Firstly, many manufacturing companies lack dedicated information security teams and the necessary resources that provide comprehensive infosec training. That means that CISOs and CTOs often struggle to ensure that all employees receive the training they need to mitigate cybersecurity risks effectively. Without the right resources, safeguarding our systems becomes an uphill battle. Secondly, CISOs and CTOs face limitations in terms of time and budget when it comes to providing in-depth secure training. It can be challenging to allocate sufficient time and resources for comprehensive training programs. As a result, training efforts may be rushed and employees might not receive the necessary knowledge to protect against cybersecurity threats adequately. Another significant challenge is the resistance to change among employees. It's not uncommon for individuals to resist changing their behaviors and habits, even when it comes to security practices. This resistance can make it difficult for CISOs to implement new infosec training programs effectively. Without employee engagement, the desired outcomes of these programs may not be achieved. Lastly, the technological complexity within the manufacturing industry poses a unique challenge for CISOs. With various technologies in use, from industrial control systems to IoT devices, it becomes increasingly challenging to provide comprehensive infosec training. Each system may have its vulnerabilities and requires tailored training. Managing this complexity can be overwhelming for CISOs and CTOs. Throw in supply chain security, and it's a nightmarish situation. While instructor-led training has its benefits in terms of personalized guidance and interaction, it often comes with a hefty price tag. The manufacturing industry is no stranger to budget constraints, making it essential to find cost-effective yet efficient solutions for information security training. Black Hat is upwards of $4,000 and SANS is around $7,000. Wouldn't it be great to have real defensive training in DevSecOps, cloud security, application security, and threat modeling on a self-paced learning platform? AppSecEngineer provides labs, challenges, and playgrounds that truly enable your team. Are you Industry 4.0 ready? Check the video description below to start your team's training today.